Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add Quora to your Mac dock so you can open it like a regular app. Fast, clean, and convenient. Start by opening Safari. You can either click the Safari icon in your dock or press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to Quora.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Now look up at the top of your screen and click on File in the Safari menu bar. From there, select Add to Dock. A small window will pop up asking you to name the shortcut. You can leave it as Quora or give it a custom name, totally up to you. Once you're ready, click Add. You'll now see the Quora icon sitting in your dock alongside your other apps. The best part is when you click on it, Quora opens in its own separate window, just like a standalone app. Even if you close Safari, Quora stays open and runs independently. And that's it. Quora is now added to your Mac dock for quick and easy access anytime you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if there's another guide you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.